In this video, we will discuss about page layout. That page layout. That how to create a page layout or how can we edit a page layout. Before discussing about page layout, let's first select a particular object. In this video, I am selecting contact object and opening a particular record. As we can see, there are three related lists present on with this particular list, 5 lists and detail page with this UI that contact owner is on left side, phone is on right side, and so on. Before starting on the page layout, I would like to tell you that there are two types of pages, but in this, the first one is details page, and the second one is called the edit page. Edit page is the page that we see during if we are creating a new record like this. This is the page we are seeing is called as the edit page. Okay, and if we want to change the UI of this page or the edit page or the related list, we can change it through page layout without writing a single line of code. And to access the page layout, we have to click on the gear icon and on setup, then object manager, then selecting the particular object. In this case, I am selecting contact object. Select page layouts and click on new. As there are as it is providing an option to clone the previous page layout that is provided by the Salesforce, but I am creating a new page layout and let's keep its name as test and save. Okay, there are only two by default in this page layout fields. If we want to add fields, we can simply drag and drop like this, or in which direction we want to put it, we can also decide it by just drag and drop only. If we want to add a blank space, we can also do it by simply drag and drop. And if we want to remove a particular field, there are two options. We can click through this in the remove button, or we can simply drag it back to the panel. If we want to add another section, we can simply do it by drag and drop. It's asking for the name of the new section. I am keeping as an additional info, and it's as in the starting of video I've told you that there are two types of pages. The first one is detail page and the second is edit page. It's asking that we have to showcase this section on both the pages or on a particular which page. I am selecting both the options as I want to showcase this page on both the pages. It's asking for the layout, that if I want to only one column page layout or two column. In one column, all the details are present in one side of the page. In two column layout, the details are present on the both side of left and right. The tab key order. The tab key order is the order in which the fields have to be filled. In which manner, to left to right or to top to down. I am selecting as left to right. Okay. Now I'm adding the fields in section, and in this and from page layout we can also set that is this field is a required field or not required. And to set up that, we have to click on this icon, properties, field properties, and if we want to make this field as required, click on the required, or read only, we can click on the read only, then okay. As you all can see that there is a red icon naming that it has to be compulsory filled. Now comes to the related list. In the related list, we have to select the related list. Then on the files or which list we want to showcase, that we can simply drag and drop. And there are also buttons. If we want to paste a particular button, we can also customize it. Now in fields, let's add some more fields. Okay, now click on save. Yes, great. The page layout has been set, but if we have to assign the page layout so that we can check it, and in Salesforce we can create many page layouts and we can assign them to different users. To assigning a particular page layout, click on page layout assignment, click on edit assignment, and in this scenario I'm changing the layout of system administrator. Select system administrator, then select page layout to test, then click on save, cross check, and okay, system administrator test. Okay, now let's go to the contact object, click a particular record. Okay, great. Now you can see all that I have selected only two lists as it is present there, and details page I have created new section name as additional info and the basic by default. So as you all can see that we have changed the layout of this particular page without writing a single line of code. This is the use of this page layout tool. Thank you all.